Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to save time by accessing the clipboard history in Windows 10. This video has two clips, one man-made, the other created by AI. Therefore, man versus AI. In the first clip, I will demonstrate using the clipboard history and the Windows V key. In the second, AI will demonstrate using the clipboard history created from a text-to-video AI application. Let's get started. Your boss asked that you create a PowerPoint slide for this afternoon's staff meeting to introduce the newest member of your team, Michael Smith. You have all the data you need in the bio sent from HR. Let's build that slide. We will start with Michael's bio. Next, we will turn on the clipboard history. Typically, you only have to do this once. Press the Windows and the V key, and then click Turn On. Next, we will select the name and Control-C. We'll repeat this for the job title, work history, family, hobbies, and finally the picture. Next, we'll switch to PowerPoint. I'll click in the title section and press Windows V again. Notice this time it shows all of the items we copied from the bio. Clipboard history keeps the last 25 items you copied. In the top right-hand corner of each item is an ellipsis. Clicking on the ellipsis, we see Delete, Pin, and Clear All. Pressing Delete will delete the copied item. Clicking on the pin will pin the item in the clipboard. It will stay pinned until you delete it, even after you restart your computer. Clicking Clear All empties the clipboard. Let's paste the elements we copied. Windows V is for all Windows 10 programs, including third-party apps. Windows V is a great tool that I use all the time. It saves me tons of time, so don't forget to save or bookmark this video until using Windows V becomes second nature. If you enjoyed this tip and want to see more like it, subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and tap the notification bell so you'll be alerted when more content comes out. Now stay tuned for the AI-created version.
Welcome to our tutorial on using the Windows clipboard for copying and pasting with the Windows plus V key. The Windows clipboard is a powerful tool that allows you to easily copy and paste content across different applications. In this video, we will show you how to use the Windows clipboard along with the Windows plus V key to efficiently manage your copied content. To begin, open the application or document from which you want to copy content. Once you have selected the content, press the Ctrl+C keys on your keyboard to copy the content to the clipboard. Now, open the destination where you want to paste the content. Instead of using the traditional Ctrl+V to paste, you can use the Windows clipboard's enhanced functionality by pressing the Windows plus V keys. This will bring up the clipboard history, displaying the content you have copied previously. Simply click on the item you want to paste, and it will be pasted into the destination. The Windows clipboard also allows you to sync your copied content across devices using the cloud. To enable this feature, go to Settings, then System, and select Clipboard. Turn on the Sync Across Devices toggle, and you can access your copied content from any device where you're signed in with the same Microsoft account. In addition, you can pin frequently used items to the clipboard history for quick access. Simply click on the three dots next to the item and select Pin. This will keep the item at the top of your clipboard history for easy retrieval. By using the Windows clipboard along with the Windows plus V key, you can streamline your copying and pasting workflow, saving time and effort. Whether you are working on documents, emails, or presentations, the Windows clipboard is a valuable tool for managing your copied content efficiently. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to use the Windows clipboard for copying and pasting with the Windows plus V key. Thank you for watching, and happy copying and pasting.
Well, you made it this far. Man and AI agree that clipboard history is a valuable tool that can save time. It's time for you to decide, man or AI. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry.